You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to send high-definition photos in Instagram direct messages without compression. Currently, Instagram automatically compresses photos sent in DMs to reduce file size and speed up delivery. However, you can use a simple workaround instead of sending the photo directly from your gallery within the chat. First, post the photo to your Instagram story or as a post to your feed. Set the audience to close friends or make the post private if you don't want it public. Once posted, go to that story or post, tap the paper airplane share icon and send it directly to the person via DM. When you share an existing post or story, Instagram sends it as a link to that content, which preserves much higher quality than an attached file. The recipient can then view the photo in its original clarity by tapping on it. Alternatively, for the absolute best quality, use a different platform like WhatsApp or email for sending the original file, as Instagram's messaging system is not designed for full resolution photo transfers. Instagram may improve this feature in the future, but for now, sharing via a story or post is the most reliable method within the app to maintain better photo quality. For more simple Instagram tips, subscribe to the channel.